Rhapsody fam, welcome back to my channel The Rhapsody Girl. This is Priyanka, and in today's video, as the title reads, we are going to talk about this Pond's moisturizer. You have heard this about so many times, I'm pretty sure now, but before we start this video, if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I am on YouTube, and follow me on my Instagram as well. There's a bunch of informative content that you would love to see, so please go and watch me over there as well, and I will mention the handle link somewhere on the screen. We'll leave the link in the description box below, so please and watch me over there and follow me as well. Now without any further ado, let's dive into this video. Now guys, I'm pretty much sure that you all know about Pond Super Light Gel, which looks like this. If you don't know about by its name, so you know this, the packaging. I'm pretty sure this is all over on Instagram, this is all over on YouTube, this is everywhere. You see that on Amazon, Nykaa. I'm pretty sure you know this packaging and you know this brand, you know this Super Light Gel by Ponds. But before I review this, let me tell you something about my own skin. My skin is oily. If you know me since a while, then you know my skin is pretty much oily. It's very oily. However, my body skin is not very oily. This is pretty much dry, but my face is very oily. My scalp is extremely oily. Not only that, I have a pimple prone skin. My skin is super oily, and I used to have so many pimples on my face. I had pimples for about 14 to 15 years, like 13-14 years, and now I don't have any pimple on my face. So I visited a doctor, and it took me 7 to 8 months to get rid of my pimples, and now my skin is not very clear. If you want to see from the closer look, if you want to see the closer look, then I would say my face is not very clear. It has some marks like the open pores, widely open pores, but that's fine. I do not have any pimple right now, so I'm pretty much happy about this fact that I do not have pimple at all. And now it is very rare when I get pimples. I like in last 6 months I have only got 2 pimples. One is here now, on like 3-4 days back I got this pimple here, but now it's completely gone. I am also planning to do a detailed video how I got rid of my pimples, what doctor I visited, and what all treatment I took, what all precautions I took, and what all I did for my skin, and what all I do now. So I am going to upload a video on that very soon, so please stay tuned for that. If you have pimple, or if you have a pimple prone skin, and if you live in Delhi, even if you live in any other city, then still I think you can watch this video. It will be very helpful for you. So yeah, this is all about my skin guys, and it's time to review this beauty. And if you see, the packaging is pretty much nice. It's chic, it's not very fancy, it's not very luxurious. If you buy things according to the packaging, if you see the packaging and then buy things, that I don't think that you would like this packaging. But this is like plastic packaging, not very chic, and it has this twisted lid. You have to twist the lid little bit, and there is this product which looks like this in super jelly. If you see that it is coming like down, as if I tilt it a little bit more it will fall, so I'm not going to tilt. Not only this, this has a silver film, and then this has this plastic film as well, so it comes in a very good protection. So yeah, this is a plus point. Sorry, my packaging looks a little bit shabby, but because I cannot take out the entire foil thing, if I do, then there is a lot of product that will go waste. So I don't want to take that entire thing off. And the packaging is okayish, not very fancy, not very luxurious. It's okay. This Super Light Gel by Ponds is very affordable, and it is like 147 grams for 229, but this product is almost on discount on every other website. It is available. Like if you wanna buy this from Nykaa, you will get it on discount, and if you wanna, sorry, the kids outside, if you wanna buy this from Amazon, it is again available on discount. If you wanna buy this from any other website, you will get discount and you will get this for like 150 or 200. You will not have to pay 299 for this product, and this is 147 gram for 299, but you will definitely get it on discount from wherever you want to buy this. You will get a discount. Also, it comes in 2 variants, so you can decide according to your skin. This is Pond's Super Light Gel. So someone who has a very oily skin like me, I'm pretty sure that you are going to love this product more. So let me read what the packaging says. It's Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer for non-sticking glowing skin, hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. Vitamin E. It has vitamin E, and if you know me guys, then you know how much I love vitamin E. It gives a subtle glow to your skin, which is you are going to love definitely. So if you are not using vitamin E or vitamin C in your skincare, then you should start using vitamin E and vitamin C in your skincare, and you are going to love your skin like hell. And if you are someone who don't want to spend double amount, one on moisturizer and on vitamin E, then I highly recommend this for you. Hyaluronic acid plus vitamin C are a very great combination together, and this combination works really well for all skin type almost. I am oily skin type and I use a little bit amount of it, and I love the texture it gives to my skin, the perfect glow it gives to my skin. So if you are someone who has oily skin like me, then you are going to love this a lot. If you have a combination skin more towards dry, then I think you will also love this. And if you are someone who has combination skin or sensitive skin, I think this is a nice product again for you. If it is a nice product for you again, but I don't know about dry skin types, and I don't have someone who can tell me for oily skin and combination skin, even if in the winter it is going to work very nicely on your skin. So I think you should give it a try. This is very inexpensive and this is really nice product at this price. I think you get the good quantity, and this this packet will last for at least 2 to 3 months, I'm pretty sure. Now if I talk about the texture, you can see it is like gel like consistency. I am taking this much amount and I'm taking on the back of my hand, and if you want to see, see this is how it get dissolve in your skin. Just look at the sheen it gives to your skin, the glow, the hydration. It is hydrating, and the texture is also very nice. Again, you can also if you have a little bit extra on your hand, then you can definitely massage on your hand as well. Your hand will feel hydrated as well. And the color, it is like lightish white, lightish blue, like very light blue, like the sky blue thing, the very light blue color, and the consistency again is gel like I already mentioned. The fragrance is very light, very soothing. If you are someone who don't like strong fragrances and smell, then you are going to love this for that, because it has a very mild fragrance which will not going to give you kind of headache. So this is this has very nice fragrance as well. And when it comes to makeup thing, then yes, it works brilliantly under makeup as well. This will not your makeup look very cakey or kind of a thing. This works really well for under your makeup as well. Also, if you are someone who travels a lot, not during this time because we are all locked in our houses, so not right now, but generally if you travel a lot, then or you like to keep something in your bag, the moisturizer in your bag, then this is going to be very travel friendly. This tub is very sleek, not very bulky or heavy. The weight is very light because of the consistency it has. The gel like consistency make this a very light. Now I am going to compile all the points I have spoken about this product in one go, and it will be easier for you to identify what all I have talked about till yet. I am going to review quickly what all I have to say about this. The packaging is not very fancy, but it is travel friendly, sturdy and lightweight. This is very affordable, 140 grams for 299 rupees. It comes with 2 variants, so you can choose accordingly. It suits all skin types like oily, dry, sensitive and combination. The texture is very light and easy to absorb. It is very hydrating and works amazingly under makeup as well. The fragrance is very mild and soothing. This is all I had to say about this Super Light Gel by Pond's. I hope you guys found this video useful, and if you buy this, if you guys tried your hands on this, then please let me know in the comment section below or on Instagram. And if you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, family and everyone, and please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. मैं जा रही हूँ, बिल्कुल हो गया मेरा पानी प्यास लगी है. Please follow me on my Instagram as well, and the handle name will be here or here, or the link will be in the description down below. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.